I'm covered in stripes, I roar so loud. Can you guess who's standing proud? Oh yeah, it's a tiger roar. With the golden mane, I'm king of the show. Who's the boss that you all should know? You got it, it's a lion roar. I've got big ears and a trunk that's long. Who am I playing my trumpet song? Ding ding, it's an elephant trumpet. Spots all over, I'm fast and sleek. Who's the one that you can't outpeak? Zoom zoom, it's a leopard growl. I'm strong and mighty, live in the trees. Who am I, swinging with ease? You know it, it's a gorilla. I swing and jump from tree to tree. Who's the cheeky one? Come and see. Yep, it's a monkey. Ooh, I've got sharp teeth and love the water. Who's sneaky and a little bit hotter? Gotcha! It's a crocodile, snap. I roamed long ago, big and tall. Who's the giant who ruled it all? You betcha, it's a dinosaur roar. I'm spotted, sleek, and quick as can be. Who's the cat with the mystery? Got it, it's a jaguar growl. My neck's so long I reach the sky. Who am I? Oh, so high. Taller than you thought, it's a giraffe neck stretch. I strut and dance with feathers so bright. Who's got the tail that's full of light? You got it, it's a peacock squawk. I'm big and tough, the horn so neat. Who am I with big strong feet? Bingo, it's a rhino snort. I love the mud, I'm big and round. Who am I, stomping the ground? Splash, it's a hippo. Whee! I swim the ocean, I'm giant and grand. Who am I, splashing the land? Oh yeah, it's a whale spout. With sharp teeth and fins so quick. Who's the one that makes you click? Chomp, it's a shark. Chomp. Tentacles spinning, I twist and whirl. Who am I, making your world swirl? Yeah, it's an octopus squirt. I love to jump, I'm playful and fast. Who am I, who make you laugh? You know it, it's a dolphin. Click. 5 arms and a starry shape. Who am I in the ocean's escape? Twinkle, twinkle, it's a starfish. Starry sound,